Hi guys, Priyanka this side, and if you've been following my channel, you know that I make videos on unboxing, product reviews, and some of my personal vlogs. So today we decided to do a weekend getaway, and we decided to come to the Park Hotel that is in Connaught Place, CP in Delhi. So my sister and I, we are taking a short vacation, one-day vacation trip, and hope you enjoy this video. Hello from the sisters.
Hello guys.
Heading towards our room. It's on the 9th floor. Our floor is called Bhumi, which means ground in English. Just entering the room. That's the room. You can see the whole of CP, Connaught Place from here. That's Jantar Mantar. Let me zoom in a bit if you can see the full view of Jantar Mantar. You can see the Lee Meridian from here. And maybe that's Shangri-La, the one on the right. We're on the 9th floor, by the way. So there's a beautiful view. Hi, so we've got some free welcome drinks. Here you go. Gitika is already having hers, and here's mine.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers. Here you go. Cheers. So we're out for lunch. We're in CP. So after lunch, we'll be heading back to the hotel, and we'll be going for swimming then. So see you when we reach back the hotel. Now we're taking a little break for lunch. Bye. So I'm just getting ready, and then we'll be heading off for swimming a bit. There's a nice swimming pool here at the hotel, and we'll just be checking that out. So see you then. Just stepped out. It's very sunny, and I've left my goggles in my room. That's the area. Looks good, but it's really hot. Alright, let's meet after a swim. Bye-bye. breakfast. So after a delightful stay at the park, it's now time to leave the hotel. So bye bye. Hope you guys had fun and you enjoyed the video. That was a little glimpse into our little staycation at the Park Hotel. Bye bye from the sisters.
Bye bye.